Welcome back. Now, Google Analytics integrates with 4 different Google services: YouTube, Google Search Console, Google AdWords, and Google AdSense. Now, of the 4, Google AdSense and Google AdWords will not necessarily be used by every analytics user. More likely, though, there'll be more widespread use with Search Console and YouTube. So in this video, we're going to show you how to integrate Google Analytics with those 2 services. First, if you go to one of your website properties and you actually go and you look at the acquisition tab, you're going to see something that says landing pages. And if you click that tab, it's going to give you a message saying that you'll want to set up Google Search Console data sharing. Now, once you have decided that you are going to integrate these 2 services, you can go ahead and click that setup button. Now, in order to integrate these 2 services, you will already need to have Google Search Console installed on your website. If you have it installed, you'll be able to scroll down and you'll see that there is a button here that says Adjust Search Console. You can go ahead and click that button. And you'll see here that Search Console will have a message saying that if your site has been verified, you can add it. You'll go ahead and click the Add button. What you're going to do is you're going to select the site that you're going to be adding, and then you're going to click Save. Google will give you a message saying that you're going to save a new association. You'll click OK. Your site will then be associated in Analytics with Search Console. Now what we'll need to do is we'll go and we'll associate your Google Analytics account with your YouTube account. And to do that, you'll need to create a new property, and you'll need to create it for your YouTube account. Once you've set up your parameters, you're going to click Get Tracking ID. Then you're going to pick up your tracking ID. Then you're going to head to your YouTube account. Once you are inside of your Creator Studio, you are then going to need to go to your channel area. Then you'll need to go to the Advanced link. And then if you scroll all the way down, you'll notice that there is a space for your Google Analytics property ID. You're going to go ahead and paste in your tracking ID. Once you do that, you'll then hit Save. Then your Google Analytics account will then begin tracking information for your YouTube account. And you have now integrated your services with Google Analytics. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.